Hey guys, it's your girl JS. So if you didn't know, I'm going to let you know I love Star Wars, and my favorite character of all time is Princess Leia. And back in the day when I was a kid, I used to get the Princess Leia hairstyle, okay? That's how you know I loved her, for real, for real. But I wanted to get a t-shirt, and I was just like, I wonder who does the Star Wars designs. So I was looking on the internet, and I went to Designbyhumans.com, and they have multiple, and not just Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, all the Star Wars character type shirts, okay? But mine came in the mail. I'm gonna open it up and show you what it looks like.
Used to be the underdog, 4'11". I was little, now I'm bigger and I'm better. That's forever, that's forever.
So included in my package was a sticker, and it's Designbyhumans.com sticker. Smiley face, so cute. And on the back it says, let's do this again, save 5% off your next order with the coupon code. I have another coupon code, and it says 10% off your next order. Use this coupon code. And last but not least, let's get into the shirt. Oh, it's so cute. I got a ladies medium, and it says I love you, and it has Princess Leia on it. Oh, it's so cute. And instead of just showing you, I'm gonna put it on. No peeking. And voila, it's a perfect fit. I love it. Princess Leia. Because I love you guys so much, I'm gonna let you in on a secret, okay? Design by Humans is doing a huge discounted sale on their Star Wars clothing on their website May 4th. Okay, not only will it be Princess Leia, it will be all the favorite characters that you love from Star Wars, so you can wear awesome apparel from Star Wars like myself. Go to Designbyhumans.com, okay? And as soon as you go to the website, it pops right up. Like, you don't have to find it. It's not complicated. I will include the link to the website in the description box, so as soon as you press it, you'll go straight to the website and get awesome clothes with dope designs, okay? I love you guys so much, and let me know, what is your favorite Star Wars character? If you were into Star Wars, if you check it out, you like this shirt, let me know, and I will see you later. Bye.
Anything you want, anything to put a smile on you. You deserve it all. So I'm gonna give it to you.